Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Warming up your engine really does something to your vehicle. Number 1. The custom of warming up your car engine. Your usual routine of warming up a car engine before driving off has been around for a long time now. These days, there are emission controls and fuel injection systems in cars. These two systems make warming up your car an unnecessary thing to do. A car that has been idle for quite some time will produce a lot more emissions compared to one that was driven straight from the garage. But most people will still find it uncomfortable to drive their car without warming up the engine first. This is especially if you left your vehicle parked overnight in hot weather. Number 2. Is it really necessary to keep your car on idle before driving off? Not all car owners will use this an option, but in most situations where the vehicle is a new or one of the latest models, this isn't necessary. On the other hand, vehicles with no emission controls and fuel injection are exempted from this rule. So to put it simply, you can just crank up your modern car for 10 to 20 seconds and then go. Aside from that, there are also other exceptions. For example, if the weather is extremely cold or there's heavy rain out, keeping your engine on idle before driving off will prevent your engine from being damaged. In countries where the temperature hits 0 and below, people use a block heater. A block heater is able to safely and quickly warm up a car engine even if it's really cold. But it can't heat up the interior or perform any kind of defrosting action. Although our weather doesn't require you to have a block heater, it's entirely up to you. Though block heaters are sort of hard to find. Number 3. How much does it cost to idle a car? If you've ever revved your car on idle, we're sure this thought has crossed your mind. How much gas is my car consuming while I do this every day? Imagine having to put your car on idle for 5 minutes straight every day for a whole month. Does it not make you wonder how much gas it consumes? We bet you had this idea pop in your head even just once. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.